Hi, I came here to my local trails to ride some winter mountain biking and I decided to take the DJI Neo with me. Don't you follow me? Don't you recognize me? Where are you going? Hey! I did test it out in my local ski resort, but it had some troubles following me. I think it's because I was going downhill maybe, and it had some issues to track me there because it needed to descend and same time follow me. So I was thinking maybe it's much better when it flies in level flight, but here it has some other problems like trees and branches all over the place. So I'm curious to see will it do some suicide slapping into a tree, or will it be just fine and keep tracking me? So let's test it out. Let's go.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Good luck! What are you doing? Oh my god! Why didn't you follow me? I'm here! Oh! Don't you recognize me? No? Let's try again.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Maybe I didn't make a mistake because it was blinking the yellow light on it. So I have to wait till it blinks the green one. It's good to go. Now you're going to be in trouble. Oh my god, how are you going to follow? Really? Crash. What the? Okay. Now it's getting sketchy. Okay, all right, that's cool. Still keeping up. Sounds like you had some trouble. Okay, that's enough. Let's give you a break. Come here. Right. And it has about maybe it's 35% battery left. Okay. Blinking red. When does it blink green? Maybe it really needs a GPS lock. Oh, that's okay. Now it's
Close.
green.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. That's tracking. I'm here. Turn around. Hello. Turn around. Where are you going? Hey, dude! What's going on? It doesn't like when I slap it. I think so. Okay, let's try. You don't have enough battery. Let's swap a new battery. Right, it's some descent here, so
Close.
let's give it a go.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Let's not go too fast for it. If I turn, oh god, it's so fun on those with spike tires. What a trooper! Oh my god. It survived. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whew. So far I've been amazed about the tracking capabilities in the woods. But I notice the scent is a bit bigger, or I mean longer. And it has some bad twists. So I do believe it will crash this time. So let's give it a go.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go. I think it lost me this time. Okay, where are you? There it is. Are you okay? Good. Did you hit a tree or something? It does look fine. Let's restart it. Just in case, otherwise the emu will go crazy in it.
Close. Follow. 3, 2.
I don't know where did it crash. Okay. This one looks bad. Still on me. Oh, branches. Wow. Turn. Kiitos. Whew. Come here. Well, I have to check the video later. What happened with it? Okay, that was nice. From the experience that I have today, I was really surprised. As I was thinking it may be better in level flight, but I did not expect it was so good as it is. Even though it doesn't have any obstacle avoidance, it still kept a really good track on me and avoided the trees and branches. And when you activate the drone, place it behind you, because this way you have a better chance that the drone will keep a lock on you and start following. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I will make some more testing and post them here. So thanks for watching. Bye.